Welcome to Financial Journeys. My name is Krishna and I am 16 years old. I made my first investment at age 11. I was wasting my life until then. This was Warren Buffett's reaction to starting investing at the age of 11. So basically, he believed that he wasted the first 11 years of his life by not being invested or compounding his wealth. This isn't over exaggeration since compounding works wonders in the long term. Warren's own life is a simulation of the power of compounding. Compounding is the foremost reason to start investing early. I'll soon drop a dedicated video on compounding. Investment isn't theory, it is an art. It takes time, learning and experience to even realize what type of investment works best for you. And then it is a concept of trial and error and periods of losses before your investments start to turn a profit. Therefore, gaining experience and being prepared beforehand, that is before you end up in the rat race, is important. Starting early gives you a lot of room for making mistakes and learning. You can afford to make more volatile investments and suffer capital losses and recover in time, not hurting your long-term financial goal. People tend to be more financially responsible when they start investing early, as it pushes them into critical thinking, which serves as a base for formation of financial goals. This in turn gives effect to informed consumer decisions and better equipped habits to face dynamic times. These people are always on the lookout for opportunities and are better aware of the economic environment. If you noticed, I didn't mention about investing where: stocks, bonds, commodity, real estate, futures and options, cryptocurrency. It is a well-known fact that Warren had bought his first stock at the age of 11, but an often ignored one that he had already read all the books on investing in his father's broking office. You probably must have heard the story of the ants and the grasshopper. During the times of bloom, when food was easily available, ants used to work hard and sincerely to store food. On a regular basis, the grasshopper observed them and lay waste playing music all the time, wondering to himself about why the ants were working so persistently, even when everything seemed to be prosperous. He couldn't see any reason why the ants were slaving away. Slowly but surely, winter set in. Food became very scarce. The climate became harsh, and the fate of the grasshopper is what happens with millions of individuals each year globally. But it's never too late to start. So start with investing in your financial knowledge and subscribe to Financial Journeys. Bye.